Next question number 153, which is the direct application of the NCERT textbook. The strength of different ligands is given as SCN minus is the weaker ligand than F minus, which is the weaker ligand than C2O4 2 minus, and which in turn weaker ligand than Cn minus. Now the correct option is second option. Next question number 154. Identify correct statement from the following. Now let us consider pig iron. Pig iron which can be converted to various shapes. So direct NCERT line, so the option is third option. Next question number 155. Identify the following set of molecules will have zero dipole moment. Let us consider boron trichloride. The shape of the molecule is trigonal planar, whose dipole moment is equal to 0. Now next one is beryllium difluoride, BeF2. The structure is nothing but linear. Here also this bond moment was cancelled by this bond moment, and its dipole moment is also equals to 0. And the next one is carbon dioxide. Now the structure of carbon dioxide is carbon double bond oxidation, double bond oxidation. Bond moment, this bond moment was cancelled by this bond moment, and here also dipole moment is equal to 0. And the next one is 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Now this is about the structure of 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Now this bond moment is in this direction and this bond moment is in the opposite direction. Here also the net dipole moment is equal to 0. Now the correct option is third option. Next, question number 156. Match the following and identify correct options. Let us consider in the first column the given species are, one is the mixture of CO and H2, next one is temporary hardness, and the next one is B2H6, and the next one is H2O2. Now this mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is considered as synthesis gas. Now temporary hardness is responsible due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. I am specifying the correct matches. Next, B2H6, which is to be considered as an electron deficient compound. That is, the central atom boron contains less number of electrons than actually required. Now, the structure of H2O2 is non-planar. That is, all the atoms are not present in one plane. The structure is, these are the two oxygen atoms present on the spine of the book, and this hydrogen is present on one leaf, and this hydrogen is present on another leaf. So, which is to be considered as non-planar. These are the correct matches, and the correct option is fourth option. Next, question number 157. Question number 157. The given species is lutetium, atomic number 71, and the mass number is 175. Let us compare the nuclide with X, Z, A. X is the symbol of the element, Z is atomic number, and A is mass number. Now here the question is, what about the number of protons? Number of protons is equal to Z. Number of protons is equal to Z. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. And number of electrons is also equal to Z. Number of electrons is equal to Z. Now, this is about the atomic number. Number of protons is equal to 71. And number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, that is equal to 104. And number of electrons also equals to Z, that is equal to 71. And the correct option is fourth option. సార్ ఇంకా పైకి వెళ్ళారు మీరు. ఎక్కడ దాకా వచ్చాం మనం? 156 అయిపోయింది, 157 అయిపోయింది, 158కి రండి. ఇంకొంచెం పైకి వేసేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 158. The number of Faradays required to produce 20 grams of calcium from molten CaCl2. Now let us consider. If 1 Faraday of electric current is passed, the weight deposited is equal to gram equivalent weight of that element. Now, gram equivalent weight is equal to gram atomic weight of the element divided by valency of that element. Now here gram atomic weight of calcium is 40 grams and the valence is 2, that is equal 20 grams. That is, for the deposition of 20 grams of calcium, we requires 1 Faraday of electric current. Answer is direct. Now the answer is 1, that is fourth option. Next question number 159. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene is. Let us consider 2-bromopentane. Now this is 2-bromopentane. If it is allowed to react with alcoholic KOH, the reaction which has to taking place is dehydrohallucination. Dehydrohallucination is the reaction has to take place. That is, halogen atom attached to one carbon and hydrogen atom attached to beta carbon atom. Suppose if you are considering this carbon as alpha carbon, now this is beta carbon. Since hydrogen is eliminated from beta carbon, the process is to be considered as beta elimination. Beta elimination. Now after the elimination of HBr, that is bromine from this carbon, hydrogen from this carbon, we are getting pent-2-ene, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, single bond CH3. Now the product is pent-2-ene. The product is obtained according to Sergeant rule. Now dehydrohallucination is the process taking place and this reaction is a beta elimination and the product is according to Sergeant rule. Now the three statements are correct. Now the answer is to be considered as A, B and C. Now the option is fourth option. Next question number 160. సార్ కొంచెం కింద కనరా. Okay, na? Next question number 160. 4 statements are given A, B, C, D. Question is, identify the correct statement from the following. Let us consider statement A. Given that CO2 gas. This is the point to be noted. CO2 gas is used as a refrigerant in ice cream and frozen food. If CO2 solid is given, then it is the correct statement. But CO2 gas is given, so that this is the wrong statement. Now let us consider statement B. It's nothing but the statement regarding C60, Buckminster Fullerenes, which consists of 12 5-membered rings and 20 6-membered rings. But in the given statement, the structure of C60 contains 12 6-membered rings and 20 5-membered rings. Just reverse, so that B is also wrong. Now C, ZSM5, a type of zeolite is used for the conversion of alcohols into gasoline. So this is the correct statement. Now statement D, carbon monoxide, colorless and odorless. This is also correct. Now the correct option is C and D, which is third option. Next question number 161. Identify the incorrect match. The first one is nil anium. This is atomic number is nothing but 101, and IUPAC recommended name is mendelevium. This one is correct. Now B. The name is niltrium. Niltrium. And official IUPAC name is Lawrencium, which is also correct. Now C, which was given as nilhexium. Atomic number is 106, which is to be considered as seaborgonium, which is also correct. Now the D, whose atomic number, whose IUPAC name was specified as anium. Actually, it is to be considered as the element rhonginium. But here the given value is dermestadium, which is to be considered as the wrong match. So the option is D, and the correct option is third option. Next question number 162. The freezing point depression constant of benzene. Kf value of benzene is given as 5.12 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. The freezing point depression, that is the question is nothing but what about the value of delta Tf? Solvent is benzene and the molality of the solution is 0.078 molar. Now the formula is delta Tf is equal Kf into molality. Now Kf value is 5.12 and the molality is 0.078 and the delta Tf value is nothing but 0.4. Now the option is second option. Next question number 163. Reaction was given CH4 plus 4Cl2 gives rise to CCl4 plus 4HCl. In this reaction the question is what is the change in the oxidation number of carbon? Here CH4. Hydrogen is in the combination with carbon, which is a non-metal. In the combination with non-metal, hydrogen exhibits an oxidation number of +1. And the calculated oxidation number of carbon is -4. Here CCl4, oxidation number of chlorine is -1 and the calculated oxidation number of carbon is +4. So the oxidation number of carbon changes from -4 to +4 and the correct option is second option. Next question number question number 164. The rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.606 into 10 power minus 3. The time required to reduce 2.0 grams of the reactant to 0.2 grams is. Now, specific rate constant for a first order reaction is specific rate constant K equal to 2.303 by T into logarithm of R0 by RT. Initial concentration divided by concentration at that time. We may also substitute in the place of initial concentration, initial weight, and in the place of final concentration, we may also substitute the final weight. The value of K is given as 4.606 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 2.303 by time into logarithm of initial concentration is 2.0, final concentration is 0.2. Now 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 is equal 2.303 by T into log 10 and the value of log 10 is equal to 1. Now ones and this is 2's. Now the time T is equal to 10 power minus 3 by 2, that is equal 1000 divided by 2. Now that is equal 500. And the correct option is second option.